Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do an install. Metal Gear Servo. MG90S micro servo, Metal Gears. Already made it, centered out. I'm going to install it my C14. I've primered this back portion of the body, which I'm going to leave it like this to make it look more metal-ish. But what I'm going to be doing is taking out the old 9-gram servo, putting in this new one, and metal will be a lot easier to use, and it'll give you a lot more torque. Sorry, I'm just snapping out the hot glue. Okay. That's the old one, plastic gears. It's cost about $5, and I got 2, so 10. Not that bad. They seem quieter than the plastic ones, so that's good. But I'm going to be using the same control horn, so I'm going to take this one off. This one was just for centering it. And they come with different screws, so if you get these and think that they're interchangeable, with the plastic ones, they're a little different. The screws in here to hold on the horn is a little different. It's a lot finer thread and more of a thicker screw. So this is the screw they use on the plastic ones. It's kind of pointy. And this is plastic, as you can see. But the plastic ones do fit on the metal ones. This is going to be like a servo saver for me because it's a lot thinner, cheaper plastic. And this is the screw goes in here. There we go. Now I'm gonna drop this in here. I can use my cutters real quick. Some of the hot glue is in the way. And there's my cat, being a dork, of course. Fits right there, so I'm gonna take some hot glue, glue it in. Press it in. Fits perfectly. I'll be using the servo on the plane probably. I'm going to reinstall the control arm. Well, I'm just going to drop screws on the ground. There we go. Sounds like it's got a lot more torque. It's more geared up, I guess. So we'll test this real quick. Plug in this battery and plug in the servo. Obviously needs to be trimmed, but they're even a lot faster than the plastic ones, it would seem. I'm just gonna rotate. I just rotated the control horn. Even with like weight on it, which won't be that much, but they're a lot more precise too, it feels like. Yeah, so now it's installed, and let me guys what you think in the comments about if you're going to do this to your truck. I definitely am going to enjoy this, especially when I get the C34. If you guys haven't seen that, go check it out. It is, I believe, like a Toyota's, what is that? Like a JC or something like that. Yeah, they made like it's the older J model. But yeah, it's a little bit better WPL quality than this one, so a little bit more pricey. This was only like, to fully upgrade this with the transmitter, battery, 2-speed, and now the servo, 110, and the metal stuff, about 110. The new one, so you can get the plastic one that's got all plastic stuff for like 70, and then you get the full metal one with a reduction transmission, not a 2-speed, and all proportional. Well, they're both proportional, it's just the plastics are different. For 90, you can get the fully metal upgraded one. So I mean, it's technically cheaper than this, but this is a lot more, I don't want to say refined, but refined. Because this has a metal servo. I know this brand of servo, they're good. I don't know the speed controller in the other one. I know the speed controller in this. This is a lot more, I know it better, and I know I can replace it easier than those other parts on the newer one. But we're going to have to see when people start reviewing them. So I'll catch you guys later.